think it's about time I start
some trouble.
Hey, damaged organelle, is there a reason you called?
I think I'm gonna need some help. The cell's been functioning a little too well these days, and I think it's time to shake things up. Come on guys, everyone needs to get in order and stay on task.
But we're incomplete without the lysosomes. Who's going to digest the food particles, destroy bacteria, and dismantle damaged organelles for organic molecules for reuse?
You're absolutely right, but first I need digestive enzymes.
Here I am. I'm a hydrolytic enzyme ready to take on another day of digestive processes.
Great, first you need to be processed and packaged. When you enter through the cis face of the flattened cisternate stacks, the receiving side, I'll absorb your membrane and process and modify the enzymes inside so that they can be sent to the trans face, the shipping side. That's where I'll encase you in some of my membrane and send it out into the cytosol and other parts of the cell so that you can perform all your functions. Since you're modified, you're ready for optimal functioning. I can even send transport vesicles to the cell membrane and outside of the cell.
Okay, but please be careful not to expose me to a pH that's not acidic. Since I'm an acid hydrolase, I prefer to be in a pH that's around 5. Food particles, bacteria, and damaged organelles, here I come. Those food particles and bacteria won't be ready for this cell's endocytosis once they're enclosed in a transport vesicle, and I destroy them with my autophagy.
Did somebody say, damaged organelle? Sun, attack!
Chloroplastosaur, attack!
Don't worry guys, I know just what to do. Chlorophyll in my granum will absorb sunlight. I'll take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, which will help me perform photosynthesis, which occurs in my stack of thylakoids, and produce glucose and oxygen. I even have my own DNA to help me. Oh no, the sun!
Deploying sun rays! Pew, 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 pew!
Absorb sunlight! Can anyone hold the leftover glucose?
Nah, give it to the mitochondria. Since I'm a central vacuole, I can only hold water, nutrients, and some toxins. However, other organisms have contractile vacuoles that only hold water. Moreover, I work the cell wall to maintain and restrict how big the cell can get. Since I hold water, the amount of water I have in my vacuoles determines how big the cell can get.
Do you think I could borrow some water?
Well, even though I do have aquaporins that let water in and out of me, I don't like to give away water since it maintains the cell structure. However, if I was a contractile vacuole, I could let out water using my spokes. But those are for organisms without cell walls.
Actually, I think I have enough.
Do you guys really think that you can prevent disorder in the cell?
I'm full of stored toxins. You better watch out.
Lysa2, you know what you have to do. I choose you!
Now that I pleased on you, I can break you down with my enzymes.
No! Although I don't have much time left, neither do you. Considerably old cells like yourself have a lot of trouble protecting yourselves from bacterial infections after they've progressed quite a bit.
What do you mean?
Well, you were so busy fighting me that you didn't even notice the bacteria that came into your cell, and now it's caused irreversible damage.
Unfortunately, we only have one choice. All of the lysosomes in the cell will have to burst, and the cell will be destroyed. It's the only way to save the neighboring cells in the entire organism. We can't allow the bacteria to spread any further.